Welcome viewers. Today I will teach you the continuity of a function which is very important in calculus. You have already learned function in function chapter. There are different types of functions. Now we have to test how a function is continuous and where to be tested. What is the principle of continuity? Let y is equal to f of x be a function of single variable x. As you know, every function can be represented as a graph. That's why we are saying every function is a curve. If we take f of x is equal to 2x plus 3. So no doubt here f of x is equal to y, that means y is equal to 2x plus 3. So in high school standard you know the graph of this function is a line. So this is a linear equation, linear function. That's why the graph of this function will be a line. If a function is linear, then the graph is a line. But if you take f of x is a non-linear function like x square plus 3 or f of x is equal to 1 by x, these are not linear. Or you may take f of x is equal to x cube plus 5. All these are not linear. So the graph of these non-linear functions is always a curve like this, whatever it may be. If the function is linear, then the graph is a line. If the function is non-linear, then the graph is a curve. Function graph. If function is linear, then the graph is line. If function is non-linear, then the graph is a curve. As every function is a curve, then when we are drawing the graph of a function, sometimes what happens when we are drawing without lifting our hand, हम ड्रा कर सकते हैं. Suppose I draw a graph like this. Look at here. From this starting point to end point, I just draw this without lifting my hand. बिना हाथ उठाए, बिना पेन उठाए, without to break up, I can draw from starting point to end point. Suppose a graph is like this. Suppose this is starting point and this is end point. यहाँ से यहाँ तक बिना पेन उठाए ड्रॉ किया and यहाँ से यहाँ तक फिर ड्रॉ किया बिना पेन उठाए. But from this point to this point, within this हमको ब्रेकअप हो गया, हमको ब्रेक करना पड़ा. क्या हुआ कि हमारा पेन इधर जंप यहाँ से यहाँ तक आया और यहाँ से जंप किया यहाँ से यहाँ तक. दैट मीन्स हियर द फंक्शन, हियर द ग्राफ कंटिन्यूस फ्रॉम फर्स्ट point to last point. But here from the first point to last point there is a break, there is a jump. So the students, when we can draw a graph of a function without lifting of hand, without break, बिना हाथ उठाए अगर ड्रॉ कर सकते हो, then that curve is continuous, means that function is continuous. But if you are drawing a function where there is a break, if you cannot draw a function without lifting of hand, बिना हाथ उठाए अगर ड्रॉ नहीं कर सकते हो तो ये फंक्शन कंटिन्यूस नहीं है, डिसकंटिन्यूस है. यहाँ ब्रेक हो गया है. सो ये है कंटिन्यूस फंक्शन, ये है डिसकंटिन्यूस फंक्शन. ये है कंटिन्यूस ग्राफ, ये है डिसकंटिन्यूस ग्राफ. तो डिसकंटिन्यूस कहाँ हुआ? देखो दिस पॉइंट में कंटिन्यूस, यह पॉइंट में कंटिन्यूस. दिस फंक्शन इज कंटिन्यूस हियर, बट हियर इट इज नॉट कंटिन्यूस. दैट मीन्स ए फंक्शन कुछ पॉइंट में कंटिन्यूस होता है और कुछ पॉइंट में कंटिन्यूस नहीं होता है. Let's take some example. We know that the equation of circle is x square plus y square is equal to a square. Here center is origin. We know the center is at 0 0 and here the radius is a unit. So if we draw this circle, then this is the circle. So when we draw this circle from this point starting to end तक, we can draw without lifting hand. बिना हाथ उठाए ये सर्कल हम ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज ए कंटिन्यूस ग्राफ. बट टेक अनदर एग्जाम्पल. f of x is equal to 1 by x square. So look at, I am taking some points x, y is equal to 1 by x square. Now I take some points. Look at here the graph of this function. Here is x, here is y. When x is 1, y is 1, x1, y1. x2, y is 1 by 4. So here x is inversely proportional. x जितना बढ़ेगा y उतना कमेगा. So the graph of this function is like this. So when x increasing, y decreasing. Now here when x is minus 1, y is 1. X is minus 2, y is 1 by 4. So here what happens, the curve is like this. But look at here, if x is equal to 0, if x is equal to 0, what happens? If x is equal to 0, the function is not defined. If x is equal to 0, the function cannot be defined. That means at x is equal to 0, there is no value of y. That means the curve, the graph of this function has no part when x is equal to 0. That means the no, a curve का कोई भी पार्ट ये लाइन को टच नहीं करेगा. मतलब यहाँ जाएगा, यहाँ ब्रेक होगा, फिर यहाँ से शुरू होगा, फिर यहाँ से शुरू होगा. So this function 1 by x square इज डिसकंटिन्यूस एट एक्स इज इक्वल टू 0. तो इसी पॉइंट में ये फंक्शन डिसकंटिन्यूस हो गया बिकॉज ब्रेक हो गया. सो अनदर थिंग इज, जब इस सर्कल को ड्रॉ किए हम बिना पेन हटाए ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. सो ये कंटिन्यूस. बट जब ये फंक्शन 1 बाई एक्स स्क्वायर को ड्रॉ किए तो देयर इज ए ब्रेक हियर. सो दिस इज डिसकंटिन्यूस. तो कहाँ डिसकंटिन्यूस हुआ? एट ओरिजिन. व्हेन एक्स इज इक्वल टू 1, the curve is here, means continuous. If x is equal to 2, at x is equal to 2, the curve is continuing. At x equal to 3, the curve is continuing. At x is equal to minus 1, the curve is continuing. But at x is equal to 0, there is no part of the curve. जब x 0 हो गया, कर्व का कोई भी पार्ट यहाँ नहीं है. So the curve is discontinuous at x is equal to 0. These are the values of x. So dear students, हमको टेस्ट करना है एक फंक्शन का कंटिन्यूटी. फर्स्ट थिंग इज, किसका कंटिन्यूटी टेस्ट करना है? जो कंटिन्यूटी चैप्टर हम पढ़ रहे हैं, कंटिन्यूटी टेस्ट करेंगे किसका? एक फंक्शन का. कंटिन्यूटी टेस्ट होगा फंक्शन का. कहाँ टेस्ट होगा? वी हैव टू टेस्ट एट ए पॉइंट, गिवन पॉइंट. पॉइंट मीन्स द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स. The value of x may be 1, 2, 3. These are different values. A function is given and to test the continuity at x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 is the value of x. That means you have to test the continuity at the point x is equal to 2. So continuity test करना है एक फंक्शन का. कहाँ टेस्ट करना है? जहाँ x का वैल्यू दिया जाएगा. अब जो बताए ये जनरल मेथड था to understand the continuity of a function. Of mathematically, before describing you the definition of continuity, I will say you there are two values of a function. एक फंक्शन का दो वैल्यू होता है. कैसे? सपोज यू हैव गिवन ए फंक्शन f of x is equal to 2x plus 1 and you are required to find the value of f of x at x is equal to 1. If you take x is equal to 1, then the value of f of x means f of 1 is equal to 3. So look at here, when we put x is equal to 1, the value of the function is 3. This is known as a functional value. Functional value means at x is equal to 1. At x is equal to 1. But sometimes what happens, we have to find the value of function not at x is equal to 1 but at x tends to 1. When x tends to 1, we cannot find the functional value. So in that case, we have to find limiting value, means limiting value of f of x as x tends to 1. So this is known as limiting value. So limiting value, look at here, एक फंक्शन का दो वैल्यू होता है. at 1 is at x is equal to 1 and another is at x tends to 1. x is equal to 1 में जो वैल्यू निकालते हैं उसको फंक्शनल वैल्यू कहते हैं. x tends to में जो निकालते हैं उसको कहते हैं लिमिटिंग वैल्यू. So these are the two values of a function. So look at the definition mathematically. The mathematical definition of continuity: a function f of x is said to be continuous at x is equal to a if and only if functional value is equal to limiting value. Functional value is equal to limiting value. So what is functional value? This is the value of a function and at x is equal to a. Functional value means x is equal to a. So put x is equal to a here. So this will be f of a. So this is functional value. And limiting value means we have to find limit of that function f of x as x tends to a. So look at here, the function was f of x. but we put x is equal to a, so this is x is equal to a. X is equal to a means this is functional value, and this is x tends to a means x not equal to a, this is a limiting value. So look at here dear students, two values होता है एक फंक्शन का, f of x is function x is equal to a, functional value x is equal to a, limiting value x tends to a. X tends to a means x not equal to a, means x less than a or x greater than a. These are the cases. So functional value can be evaluated where x is equal to a. Limiting value can be evaluated when x is not equal to a or x less than a or x greater than a. So limiting value means x tends to a. Here the given function is f of x and the point is a, and the function will be continuous if this condition is satisfied. That means functional value is equal to limiting value. Functional value means मैंने बोला है functional value means x is equal to a. You have to put x is equal to a. So putting x is equal to a, we get this value is f of a. But in case of limiting value, you have to take limit of that function as x tends to a. So this is the condition for continuity of a function, and this is equal to f of a is equal to. But we know that limit of a function exists if left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. We have already learned in limit chapter. So this is equal to, if limit exists, then limit left hand limit means x tends to a minus is equal to limit of that function as x tends to a plus. If limit of the function exists, then left hand limit is equal to right hand limit, which implies f of a means the functional value is equal to left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. So the function is said to be continuous if functional value is equal to limiting value, f of a is equal to limiting value of f of x as x tends to a, or f of a is equal to limit of f of x as x tends to a minus is equal to limit of f of x as x tends to a plus. That means functional value is equal to left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. So these are the condition by which we can show that a function is continuous or discontinuous at a point x is equal to a. Sometimes we have to apply this principle and sometimes we have to apply this principle. According to the nature of the function, I will discuss details in the testing of continuity section. Here we test the continuity of f of x at x is equal to a, means at a single point a. So this is case 1, means this is a continuity at a point. Mathematically this is first case. Now is case 2, this is continuity in an interval. So suppose you have given a function whose curve is like this. If we in first case we test the continuity at a point. Suppose here is a point where the function is continuous, but from a to b this is an interval. Suppose x lies in this interval, and from this point to this point, look at here, from this graph what we know, the graph is continuous from a to b. So a function f of x is said to be continuous in an interval if the function is continuous at every point inside the इंटरवल. ए बी जो इंटरवल है, ये इंटरवल में जितना सारा पॉइंट है, अगर हर पॉइंट में फंक्शन कंटिन्यूस हो जाएगा तो हम कहेंगे कि दैट फंक्शन इज कंटिन्यूस इन दैट इंटरवल. नाउ इज अलजेब्रा ऑफ कंटिन्यूटी. फर्स्ट इज लेट एफ एंड जी बी टू रियल फंक्शंस बोथ कंटिन्यूस एट एक्स इज इक्वल टू ए. सपोज एक्स एफ एंड जी टू रियल फंक्शंस and these two functions are continuous. A continuous है और G भी continuous है. Then sum of two functions is continuous at x is equal to a. That means f plus G is continuous. Difference of two functions, difference of two continuous functions is continuous. That means f minus G is continuous at x is equal to a. If alpha is a constant, then alpha into f is also continuous. Product of two continuous functions is continuous. F into G is continuous at x is equal to a. 1 by f is continuous. If f is continuous, then 1 by f is also continuous, but the condition is f of a not equal to 0. Then is division of two continuous functions is also continuous. F by g is continuous at x equal to a. Then fog, the composition function is continuous at x equal to a if the function a fog function is defined and the function f is continuous at g of a. So this is the algebra of continuity of functions.